it's Yui. Welcome to my channel, Chibi Chibi Chef in Style Japanese Cooking. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook a beautiful salmon sushi cake. This kind of sushi is called oshizushi in Japanese, and it means pressed sushi. It's made of layers of pressed sushi with toppings. You can make this with ingredients that we can get easily at major grocery stores. It's quite easy to cook and it looks amazing, so please try it. First, let's make sushi rice. My way of making sushi rice is easy and good for home cooking. It's different from restaurant sushi making, but very tasty. Cook Asian short or medium grain white rice by following the package directions. This time, for 2 to 3 people, I'm using 1.5 cups of rice. I like using a pot to cook rice, but you can use a rice cooker if you have it. If you want to make it easier, you can just use microwavable instant rice. But please make sure to get the one with short or medium grains, which is white rice. Spread the warm cooked rice on a large plate or bowl. Then add rice vinegar, sugar, and salt there. You can also mix the ingredients in a small bowl first, then mix them with the rice too. Make sure to mix them with the warm rice. Then the sugar can be dissolved in the rice. Then use a flat large udon spoon or spatula if you have it. If you don't have it, just use a normal large spoon or spatula to toss the rice horizontally, cutting strokes while cooking the rice with a hand fan. If you have a udon sushi bowl, please use it, but I don't have it, so I'll just use this normal large plate. Also, if you don't have a fan, you can just use a magazine as well. Don't stir and squish the rice. You need to cut into the rice while you're mixing the vinegar mixture. When it's done, cover the rice with a wet kitchen cloth to keep it moist. Avoid keeping it in the fridge as the rice will get dry out. Now let's prepare the fillings and garnish. First, slice the avocado thinly. This will be a layer between sushi rice layers. Then slice the red radish very thinly. And add a little bit of salt to marinate it for at least 10 minutes. Leave one radish and peel the red skin and cut it into very small pieces. This will be the garnish of the sushi cake, and we make little edible flowers later on. If you can find shiso leaves, you can use them instead of avocado to enhance the flavor. Finally, let's beat up the sushi cake. Prepare a rectangular or square container to make the sushi. Mine is a 6-inch square shape with 2-inch depth. Anything similar to my size will be fine. You can use a baking cake pan too. Place a sheet of plastic wrap to prevent the rice from sticking to the container, and this will allow you to pull out the sushi cake easily later on. First, place the smoked salmon one by one on the bottom of the container. Try to tightly pack the pieces together to create a beautiful orange surface. Then place a half amount of sushi rice and spread it out evenly. Next, on the first layer, place the sliced avocado piece by piece. Then spread the rest of the sushi rice over the avocado. place another plastic wrap on top. Press the sushi cake tightly with the spatula so that it will fit inside the container. If you don't press firmly enough, the sushi cake will fall apart when we take it out. Then remove the top plastic wrap and carefully take the sushi out from the container. It's easy to flip the sushi if you put a cutting board or serving plate on the sushi before flipping. Let's cut the sushi cake. This time, I'm cutting this sushi cake into 4 pieces. Cut all the sides to make it look tidy first, and cut it into 4 nice sized pieces. Every time you cut, please wipe the knife with a wet paper towel or kitchen cloth. Of course, please don't waste the cut size and eat them for yourself. Then place the sushi cake pieces on a serving plate. And make little flowers with the red radish as garnish. When you eat, serve with some soy sauce and a bit of wasabi as well. Thank you for watching and please try it for your special occasions. またね